we are taking a quick look at the Fujifilm X camera, or X-Half rather. This is my new favorite camera, and I wanted to just show you over very quickly the accessories I've put on here. So we have a metal lens cap with a leatherette finish on the front here. Now that does have a little tether point, which you can see that, which does have a little tether cable that links to here, but I don't like it when it's hanging and banging around underneath, so I remove that. And also let me know in the comments if you found any filters that go on the front here to protect the front element, because I think this is going to be quite expensive to replace this lens or front piece of glass if that gets damaged. So it'd be good to find something that prevents that from happening. Then the next thing we've got is the little grip with the Arca Swiss plate. It does come with a little flathead screwdriver to fit that. So that gives it a little bit more shape to hold on to, and it's nicely rubberized, very grippy, and it does match the leatherette that's on the actual camera itself. Next up, I have a shutter release button, or soft press button as some people like. I'll link all of these in the description. They have a thumb grip here, and again, that just, with the extra grip, that just gives it a little bit more shape, and it's a little bit easier to hang on to. What else? Oh, I've put a screen protector on the back here also. I've not put one on the actual film cartridge window, but I've put one on the main window. And I'll tell you what this has actually achieved. The actual screen itself is slightly indented on the body. So when you're thumbing through menus, I'm making it look easy, without the screen protector, it's quite difficult to sort of dig your thumb in and then find that scrolling mechanism, so to speak, with your finger. But with the screen protector on here, it makes it completely flush to the body. So all you need to do is just swipe across. Oh, that's the AF. So that's fine. So if you're swiping across, you can go into film simulations or the filter settings. But yeah, that was our quick look at the accessories. Oh, the other thing I do have on here is my favorite camera strap. And this is by a company called Artisan and Artisan. You can see that. And I really like that camera strap. It's very lightweight, suits this camera perfectly. Again, I'll list all those in the description. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Have you bought this camera? Have you bought any accessories? Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.